Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you have baby bottles in your life that need to be cleaned and you spend any time away from home, then you need this TechoEcho travel baby bottle brush set. It is a game changer. So it comes with everything you need to keep your baby's bottles clean. It's easy to use and it's convenient. I love the fact that it has these silicone brushes, so I'm not going to damage the bottles. I'm able to clean them effectively, but then I don't have to worry about the silicone brush drying because unlike a sponge, it's not going to retain water and become moldy. This entire container has everything you need, from a bottle brush to a nipple brush. It even comes with a brush for straws. It has a dispenser you can put your own soap in, so you're able to use the soap you want on your baby's bottles. It even transforms into a drying rack so that you can dry everything. It goes back together and it's in this one little container. This is going to fit in your backpack. It's going to fit on your carry-on suitcase. You're going to take it camping with you. Anytime you leave the house and you have to clean a bottle, or if your baby is spending time with family members, this would be a perfect gift for them to keep at their house so they are able to clean the bottles effectively, but it's not going to take up a lot of space. This has been an invaluable addition to our household whenever we are babysitting. This is what we reach for. It doesn't take up a lot of space, but this little kit has everything you could need to keep your bottles clean, and then it stores in a very convenient container. I'm really happy with this, and that is my point of view.